Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to build a Thinkorswim scanner that can scan for high quality stocks that have been beaten down in a very short amount of time. So stay tuned. Alright everyone, the first thing you want to do is to log into Thinkorswim. And then after you log into Thinkorswim, you should go on the scan tab right here, okay? Then after you go on the scan tab, you will see the default scan settings that Thinkorswim will provide you. What you want to do is get rid of all of that, okay? You don't need any of this. Well, apart from, let's just leave one of them. So get rid of the second one, get rid of the third one, okay? Now, in order to build a scanner for oversold stocks, the first thing you want to do is to go over here and then go on last right there, and then change that to 15 because we do not trade penny stocks on our channel. We don't do that. And then leave that to the max. And then the next thing you want to do is to add a filter right here for options, okay? And then you're gonna go over here and change this to the volume, which is here, because we want contracts that are very liquid, that is easy to get in and easy to get out, and a lot of people are participating and are buying and are trading those contracts. So that is why we're doing that. We're going on volume, and next you want to change that to 500. You want to change that to 500, and then what you want to do is add another filter by clicking that, and then for another option. And then you're gonna click on here and go on open interest. There it is, open interest. And you want to click on here and make sure that the minimum is 1000. All right, we're not gonna go into the details of all of that. I'm just showing you the exact scanner that I used and the exact settings that I'm using it at. So all right, so the next thing you want to do is to go on add filter, and then you want to add a study filter at the bottom. Now this is the stuff that's gonna catch the oversold, the relatively oversold stocks, okay? Now again, you want to go here on the study and then choose popular studies and go over here and then go all the way to the relative strength index study. You're gonna click on that, okay? Let's make this bigger, that way we have more space, okay? Now, what you want to have this thing set up as is this: the relative strength index with a length of 14 days or whatever, and this thing you're gonna leave it the same. And then you're gonna put over here, you're gonna put less than, then you're gonna change this thing to 39, all right, to 39. And then you're gonna scroll to the right, okay? And you wanna make sure that this thing, it changed to week. And you wanna go over here to the week, there you go. And yeah, this is the scanner that I use to find oversold scanners. After you're done building that, let's click scan to see what it will give us. And there you go. All right, these are the lists of all of the stocks that have been beaten down throughout the past month. And as you can see, if you look here, there's multiple of the airline companies like BA, for example, or Delta Airlines and American Airlines. And let's see exactly, oh, by the way, once you're done building the scanner, go on here, this one, and then click on it. No, actually, no, the wrong one. Go on the second one and then click on it, and then go on save query, and then give it a name. Give it like all beaten down stocks with great options. Very long name, but whatever, it works. So then you're gonna click on save. Then after you're done saving that, let's go back on the chart, okay? And then let's make sure that the scanner is working for you and is easily accessible to you on the left column right here in one of these watch lists. So you can choose any of them. So I'm gonna choose this one. You're gonna click on the title, and then you're gonna go on personal, and then you're gonna go all the way down to, oh, there you go, the scanner that you just created, all beaten down stocks with great options. You're gonna click on that, and then what's gonna happen next is all of the stocks that the scanner is catching will all appear right there. So all you have to do is just click on here. Okay, let's remove that. Okay, and then here's what I mean by oversold. If you go on the weekly, this is what is catching. All right, it's very beaten down, and especially right here throughout the past 5 weeks. Okay, this is what the scanner is designed to get. Stocks that are on a heavy discount. Okay, and this is good for like long-term investors if you're into that. We're not into that. We're into catching patterns and profiting off of them. But if you're into going long-term and finding good stocks to invest in, yeah, that's your business. Again, this is helpful for that too if you're interested. And let's go over here, and here's another one. Okay, again, you're gonna see a common trend. And again, this one beaten down again. And then if you just tap on the down button, the down arrow, you can click on here, and you can see all of these stocks have been just crushed, and they are heavily discounted. Okay, and again, here's another one, and another one, and another one. So this scanner is definitely helpful if you're a dip buyer, if you're a long-term investor looking for a good deal. Yeah, this is what the scanner is used for. So yeah, that wraps the video. If you thought this video was helpful and got any value from it, definitely hit that like button. It helps the channel grow, and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. If you have any questions or comments, definitely put them in the comment section below. I would love to hear what y'all think. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, and also hit that notification bell. That way you get notified when I release new videos. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at PATTERNOLOGY LAB. I do post the patterns that I spot daily, and I do post my entries and my exit on there as well. My name is Paul with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see y'all in the next one. Take care.